Hi, my name is George Ferguson, and your name again is Frank. Frank, it's really nice meeting you. I was looking forward to this. So, you want to know a little bit about me. Um, my personal mission is to make a positive difference in a person's life. For me, there's nothing cooler than working with someone, and all of a sudden you see that little light bulb go on over their heads. I've done the corporate thing and the academic thing for a number of years. I've worked for some premier companies, Hallmark Cards, Marion Labs, which is now Sanofi Pharmaceuticals. I've worked with some phenomenal universities, Rockhurst University, Old Dominion University. And what I do is I focus primarily in three areas: leadership, teams, and change. I do classes around leadership. I work with teams as far as their team dynamics and how well they work together in their communications. And then also with organizations around change, primarily around cultural change. And again, there's nothing cooler for me than to touch that individual and see a difference as far as what it is that that person can do versus what they could do in the past. So for me, my personal mission is to make a positive difference in a person's life. So tell me about yourself. If you notice, there are several things in there. One, I said my first name twice. The purpose of that is to help them remember what that first name is. I also used that other person's name. I used that person's name a couple of times to help me remember what was going on. When you think about that 30-second commercial or that elevator speech, you want to make sure that there's one thing that the person is walking away remembering about you. And you want to keep it at kind of a high level. The mistake that a lot of people make when they talk about their network, their 30-second commercial or their elevator speech, is they have a tendency to give too much, and go too long and be too random with the information that they provide. You want to make sure that it's targeted, and it may change based on the person that you're talking with. So make sure that there's that one thing that you want them remembering when they walk away. You mentioned that at the beginning, and then you mentioned that at the end. So those are some key points as far as the 30-second commercial or the elevator speech. If you have questions, give me a shout.